Alright, everybody. So today is the fourth day of the strike, of the hunger strike of Sonam Wangchuk at Jantar Mantar, which is going on for about 12 days, and they have been demanding the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, the Central Education Minister, over the leak of the NEET exam. This hunger strike has been organized, and the entire protest has been organized by the Cockroach Janata Party. And today, I saw a video of Sonam Wangchuk, which he has posted on his Instagram account, in which he was saying that how his blood sugar levels has been low, has been quite low than optimum blood sugar levels, and his BP has been continually low than the optimum BP of a normal person, and his weight has also reduced drastically. 4 days ago, when he started the strike, his weight was about 65.5 kg, and today he said that his weight has been reduced to 63.5 kgs, 2 kg weight loss in 4 days. And he was saying that he is feeling tired, but he is going strong. He is not going to give up. He is not going to give up on his hunger strike until the demands are met. And I kind of knew that Sonam Wangchuk has also held hunger strike earlier. That is why I checked on the Google, and in the year of 2024 he held 2 strikes, and the maximum number of days that he managed to continue his hunger strike was for 16 days. So it is kind of his record. For 16 days he was able to continue his hunger strike in 2024, and he agreed to stop the strike when the central government agreed that they will listen to the civil society members on the issue of the Ladakh, because he was demanding the full autonomy of Ladakh in 2024. That is why he started this strike, and there were some reservations and issues regarding the climate, like some of the policies of the central government were going to harm the environment in Ladakh. These two were the issues on which he started the strike in 2024, and his hunger strike went for 16 days, which is a record, I would say, in India. I checked some other people. Yesterday I said that I do not know how many days the hunger strike of Baba Ramdev and Anna Hazare went, but I checked on Google today, and Baba Ramdev's strike went for 9 days. After 9th day he was handed over. He was forcibly, you can say, he drank some juice on the behest of some people on the 9th day. And Anna Hazare's strike went for 13 days after the central government agreed to meet his demands. So Sonam Wangchuk, out of 3 people, holds this record of having the longest number of days of hunger strike, 16 days. And I think he is going to break this record, because I do not see that the government will bend or will kneel in front of the Cockroach Janata Party and their demands. But whatever, let's see what happens. And there was also this video of Saurav Das, the spokesperson of the Cockroach Janata Party today, in which he was asked by a journalist, "What do you want to say about Virat Kohli?" What kind of a stupid question is that? You just go randomly to a protest site and ask a person, what would you want to say about Virat Kohli? What a weird question. Completely stupid question. And he replied, Virat Kohli lives in UK, the air quality is not good here, so all the best to him. And the journalist asked him again, would you want him to come here to join your protest? And he said, of course I would want him. Then he went on to say, but it requires a lot of spine these days to say something against the government. Which is true. I agree with this. Then the journalist asked him about Khan sir. Do you want Khan sir to also join this protest? And he said, yes, we have been waiting. We have been calling him for a long time, but I think there might be some issues between them. That is why he is not coming to this protest. Whatever, but he said, we have been trying to call him for a very long time, but he is not coming for whatever reason. And the third question, which makes this interview interesting, was about Dhruv Rathi. He asked about Dhruv Rathi, and Saurav Das said, yeah, he is one of our persons. He is like one of our people. And he said, do you want him to come to join the protest? He said, no. We do not want him to come here and join the protests. He lived there in Germany, but we do not want him to come here to join the protest, unlike Virat Kohli. They want Virat Kohli to join the protest, and they do not want Dhruv Rathi to join the protest. Both of them are living in Europe, but they want one person to join the protest, and they do not want the other person to join the protest. Whatever was that, and he said in the end of that video that he is Dhruv Rathi. He is too precious for our country. We would not want him to come here into this country because there would be security concerns for Dhruv Rathi if he would come to Jantar Mantar to join the protests. And many people are criticizing him for these two-faced answers, for their double standards on Virat Kohli and Dhruv Rathi. But on deeper thought, I think he was correct. He is correct. Because if Virat Kohli would come to Jantar Mantar to join the protest, I do not think there can be some security issues, but there are no political figures, or there are not many powerful people in the political circles that would want Virat Kohli to be silenced. But there are many opponents, and I would go on to say there are many enemies of Dhruv Rathi in political circles. They would want Dhruv Rathi to be silenced for good. That is why he said that the security concerns, safety concerns for Dhruv Rathi are far more in joining these kind of protests than they are for Virat Kohli. So it is not a complete L as people were saying, as people were criticizing him. It was a great response. And let's see what happens. Today is the 4th day of the hunger strike, and the personal record of Sonam Wangchuk is 16 days. So we are 12 days short of that, record. But I wish we do not have to go that far. The government would kneel, the government would listen to the demands of these people. But I think it is not going to happen. I want this to happen, but I think it is not going to happen. Because that reminds me of a video of Rajnath Singh, the defense minister. He was the home minister in 2016 and 17. In a press conference, he said that this is not the UPA government. Resignations used to happen in the previous governments. This is the NDA government. There are no resignations in this government. There is no policy of handing over resignations in this government. So I think Narendra Modi or the NDA government is not going to make Dharmendra Pradhan resign for whatever reason, because I think it is their ego or something like this. They are not going to make him resign. But hunger strike, I think, it's the 4th day, and as the condition of Sonam Wangchuk gets worsened, I think the government will be in increasingly enough pressure that they have to do something. But I do not think they are going to make Dharmendra Pradhan resign. Let's see whatever they do. Let's see what Sonam Wangchuk and the Cockroach Janata Party do. They are doing an amazing job up until right now, and I wish them the best. I wish them the best, the entire party. All right, bye bye.